Alright, transformation number 5. So, we need to go ahead and solve for x. I know that EF plus FG has to equal the whole thing. So that means that I know that 7 plus 2x plus 23 has to equal x plus 20. If I solve for x, that would be 2x plus 30 equals x plus 20. Get rid of my x. That would be x plus 30 equals 20. If I got rid of my 30, that would be negative 10. So x would have to be negative 10. Same thing, but now we have 1, 2, 3. So 2x minus 9 plus 3 plus 8 has to equal 3x minus 4. So that would be, if I combine, that would be negative 1 with the 8 and 9. Negative 1 plus 3 would be positive 2, so 2x plus 2 would have to equal 3x minus 4. Subtract 2x, subtract 2x. 2 equals x minus 4. Add 4 to both sides. 6 equals x. Number 7. I like the way in which you guys taught me that I know that this down here, so 2x minus 9, that would be from here all the way down here. And then I know if I bring this down, this would be x plus 4 to here. So I know that these are going to have to equal each other. So I know that 2x minus 9 plus 23 is going to have to equal 18 plus x plus 4. Those are the two long lines. So I'd get 2x plus 14 equals 22 plus x minus x minus x. X plus 14 equals 22 minus 14. X would equal 8. Find RQF, RQF. So I need to find this. If FQP, so FQP is 75, and RQP, so this whole thing is 98. So if I got to solve for x, because I don't know that angle, then I know that these two have to add up to 98. So 75 plus x has to equal 98. Get rid of my 75, that's 23. So that angle has to be 23. Next, STZ, so STZ is 24. ZTU is 140. I have to find STU. Well, that's easy because it's just these two added together. So that would be 164. And that would be measure angle STU. Find x. So WLM is x plus 101. KLM, so the entire thing is 177, and KLW is x plus 78, x plus 78. Well, I know that these two have to add up to 177. So x plus 78, if I add that to x plus 101, I will get 177. So that's 2x plus, that'd be 179 equals 177. Subtract 179, subtract 179. 2x equals negative 2. Divide by 2. X equals negative 1. Number 11. Find x if LDE, so LDE is 140x, CDL is 37, and CDE, so the entire thing is 176x plus 1. That means that this plus this, 140x plus 37, has to equal the whole thing. So if I get rid of 140x minus 140x, it's 26x. Get rid of 1, that's 36. Divide by 26, and I end up with a decimal. So 36 divided by 26 equals 1.38, so 1.38 equals x. Alright, next. So number 12. I know that these are supplementary of each other because this is a straight line, so that means that 2x plus 82 has to equal 180. If I get rid of my 82, I know that 2x has to be 98. If I divide by 2, I know that x has to be 49. Number 13. Straight line, across from each other. These have to be vertical. Vertical angles are equal to each other. So I set them equal to each other. Get rid of the 1, that's 40. Divide by 4, x has to be 10. Number 14. This is 90. This has to be 90. If that's 90, then I know that these are complementary. That means that 2 plus 6x plus 5x has to equal 90. So that would give me 2 plus 11x equals 90. Get rid of my 2. 11x equals 88. So x would have to equal 8. Let me double check this because we did get a decimal. Let me double check, but I think I'm still right. LDE is 140. CDL is 37. CDE, so the entire thing is 176x plus 1. Oh, 36. 7 minus 4 is 36. 36. If I divide by 36, I get 1 equals x. I just subtracted wrong. And we are done.